Today on Pinbusters, we're turning any lipstick matte. I got an email from Janine out in Elkland, California who'd like us to turn any lipstick matte using translucent powder. Let's see if it works. So a lot of ladies have their favorite lipstick, but it might not come in the matte format. It's still pretty shiny, like mine, pretty shiny, right? So we found this neat trick. All you need to do is take tissue paper and separate it so you have just a single sheet. Usually they're 2-ply, but we just want 1-ply. And you put the tissue over your mouth. This is obviously after you've applied your lipstick, so you put it over your mouth, like so. And then I should have opened it first. Just get translucent powder. How do I open this? Peel off and turn dial. Okay, sounds a lot easier than it looks. Oof. There's your translucent powder. I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna apply more lipstick. Single ply, put it over your lips, and use the translucent powder. I feel like this is a 2-end job. I can't see. Maybe smaller piece of pink tissue. Okay. Kind of. No, it's not really matte. I'm gonna try it again. Try it again. My cousin's gonna help me hold this mirror because obviously I can't do it by myself. Okay. Applying lipstick. 1-ply of tissue, don't just half of it because it's too distracting. By the way, it tastes great. Well, what do you think? It doesn't look matte to me, it just looks blotched. So I'm gonna say pin busted. If you guys at home can do it better, please do it and show me because I can't for the life of me do it. It just looks kind of faded. That's all. All right, well that's all we have for Pinbusters today. If you guys have pins at home, if you guys have pins at home you'd like us to try, email us at bust@pinbusterstv.com or leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time. Look at what's disappointing, and oh, it's stuck on my tongue.